All right, so very important concept for upcoming NEET or JEE Mains examination is the concept of pure rolling. So many questions come, on pure rolling in JEE Mains and NEET. So you must be thoroughly prepared. Please practice at least 5 to 7 questions on pure rolling. Conceptually, pure rolling is nothing but mixture of two motions. One rotation motion around the axle, and the second is pure translation, which is linear motion. Now, the key characteristic in the case of pure rolling is that we study multiple points on the rolling body, and special characteristics with regards to velocities appear. For example, if you see the topmost point is at the velocity 2v, which means the velocity due to linear motion on the surface, and the velocity due to rotational motion with respect to axle both get added and give an appearance of 2v with respect to the surface for the topmost point. Thank you.